So delicious. So delicious, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a strawberry mango smoothie with coconut water. Yes, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Don't forget to tell me what it is you would like to see me make. Okay guys, thank you so much for supporting, and thank you for my subscribers who continue to support me, and I look forward to some new subscribers. Okay guys, share my videos with your friends and families, and remember to follow me on all social at Ann Booth. Okay, thank you so much. So my strawberry mango smoothie with coconut water, I have some strawberry cut up, I have some mango slices, I have my yogurt, coconut water, I have some pumpkin seed and some chia seed that I will be using in this smoothie. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. Let's add some seeds. So guys, chia seed is good for you. So yeah, adding some of that in there. Some pumpkin seed. So none of my ingredients are frozen, so I'm gonna have to use less liquid. I'm gonna add my yogurt. This one, it said vanilla Greek yogurt with mixed berry. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this coconut water now. This one has pulp. Okay, I'm not gonna use all of it. And then I'm gonna cover and blend. And there you have it guys, all done. I'm gonna glass it now. Okay. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. I'm gonna glass this. Oops. Heavenly. So divine guys, so nice. Yes guys, go ahead and try this smoothie. My strawberry mango smoothie with coconut water. So go ahead and try it. I have strawberry, mango, coconut water, yogurt, some pumpkin and chia seed. Blend it together and I get a nice smoothie. Okay. go ahead and try this smoothie, guys. It's easy, no hustling, and you will love it when you are done. Okay, so remember to like, share, and comment on my videos, and don't forget, guys, to continue to support. Watch all my other videos. Yeah, I have several other smoothie videos. Go ahead and watch them and leave me a comment. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.